Alright, let's take a close-up look at our 2500 HD CNG edition. Lots of information online about these. Kind of fun, kind of cool. Definitely get the fuel cheaper for it. It is dual fuel, so it has a full-size gas tank and a CNG tank. So you just look it up. They say 650 mile range on them both. So this is just informative. Anybody that's further away can't make it directly. My goal is to get you as much information as I can. I'm not perfect. If you need to know more, let me know. If I miss something, you know, I do my best. So it came to us in good, nice, clean condition. Mostly as you see it. We did just a detail on this one. So you can see this one originated in Oklahoma. I don't know how long it spent there, but it was also in PA for a while. So all the frame components and everything look in good condition. You know, not like Ohio or New York winters, you know, one after the other just getting railed. Our detail guys put a little black paint on it, but nothing special. Tires are about there. Get you close up, I don't mind a little bit of some trim here. So you can see the bottom of the doors. You can see, I mean, that's just really surface touch-up stuff. You know, it's all kind of there. It looks fine, you know, everything looks a little rougher on the videos, but I'm giving you the close-up anyways. There's the underside. Nothing too spectacular going on there, which is a good thing. It's a big-ass truck. I'm rolling around on the ground for you people. This is just chips. That's just some tape and some chips. I mean, I could cover this stuff in white paint if it makes you feel better, but that wouldn't be the same thing. It has the plastic floor. Oh, there's a little hole right there. The seat had a little sew work done on it. So yeah, it was worn out a little bit, but it is pretty awesome. Motors sounds good. No check engine light we've seen. It sounds good. Yeah. It has this big crazy bumper on the back. And there's your extra space. In there, and a big old heavy piece of plastic, rubber. Kind of crazy. There's a connector there. More giant white truck on this side. That's the overall situation. Pretty close one. You know, just a little water coming out of the bottom from the bed in the rain. Let's see, anything over here going on? Not specifically. It is an HD, so a little bit more utility than the regular version. What was I saying? Oh, here's the only real dent that I found on the truck. So, what else? It started right up. Clean title. I'll take it for a quick ride. Well, these guys always run. Definitely big. Take it for a quick ride around the block. There it is, doing truck things in a truckly manner. Has the floor shifter, which is kind of cool. Just drives like a big truck. Tires are a little noisy, but over the big bump there pretty well. Might need a little air in one of the tires or an alignment a little bit or something. Slight pull to the right, but full drive engaged. Try not to wreck here. Cruising in full drive. You know, it's a big truck. Sounds like a truck. Drives nice. Sometimes boring test drives are the best test drives. Drive it off-road. You can hear that four-wheel drive. I put it into regular. So there you go. That'll be it. That's a run and drive and move, and I'll just let me know what you want to do. Thank you. Bye.